Imagine you're exploring a new city or hiking through the mountains and suddenly realize you're lost. No worries, cause your Galaxy Watch Ultra's got your back with the GPS Route Trackback feature. You can now easily find your way back. Let me show you how to use this feature. To use Trackback, make sure your workout is still on roll. Don't finish it, otherwise your watch will lose all the location data. And also, please try not to take off the watch from your wrist because it might accidentally end the workout. So when you're in an active exercise, tap on the floating icon on your watch face, open the workout, swipe right, tap on settings, tap on Trackback, and then confirm it. In a moment, a map of the road you've crossed will appear on your watch screen with your initial and current location. You will just have to follow the direction back to where you have started. And even if you end up walking towards the wrong direction, your watch will let you know that as well. And that's pretty much how you can use Trackback on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Hope you have found your way. Thanks for watching.